Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with FedEx, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your shipping needs. Assess the frequency and volume of your shipments. Gather all relevant shipping data, including weights and dimensions. Visit the FedEx website to explore their various shipping services. Familiarize yourself with the different shipping options available. Make a list of the services that fit your needs, such as overnight or ground shipping. Determine your budget by calculating how much you can allocate for shipping expenses. Use the FedEx shipping calculator to estimate costs for different services. Input the details of your shipments into the calculator. Compare the estimated costs for various shipping options. Consider signing up for a FedEx account to access potential discounts. Review available discounts and promotions on the FedEx website. Look into FedEx's shipping programs for small businesses or frequent shippers. Once you select a shipping option, outline the specific costs associated. Factor in additional fees such as fuel surcharges or residential delivery costs. Track your monthly shipping expenses to stay within budget. Adjust your shipping strategies as needed based on your financial situation. Regularly reassess your shipping needs and budget to remain efficient. Consider using FedEx tools for shipment tracking and management. Utilize these tools to make informed decisions and improve organization. Lastly, stay updated on any changes to FedEx pricing or services. This will help you maintain an accurate budget over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.